As you start building backlinks to your website, make sure that you're not linking only the home page of your website from other sites. You should have a good mix. You should also link the internal pages of your website. For example, right here, if your website is your domain.com, you should not link all the posts that you put out to the home page. You can have some going to the inside pages, for example, your different service pages. It can be office cleaning, rug cleaning, carpet cleaning, of course, roof repair, waterproofing, anything. Or you can also link, or you can also build backlinks to your blog post. It necessarily doesn't have to be the service page or the home page either. It can be a blog post. So as you get traffic to the blog post, if people like that, they might spend more time on your website. They may check other posts. They may end up sharing this on social media and so on. So make sure now that you're starting to create backlinks to your website, it should not only be for your homepage. It should also go to the inside pages. The links should also point to the inside pages, your service pages and your blog posts, or anything else that you may have there. Like I said, guides or video demonstrations. So you should also link to those pages from other sites. Okay. And I'll see you in the next video.